to get some lip injection.
Okay.
This office looks so pretty. Fantastic.
Cool. Spanish. Yeah, Spanish.
Talking to Josh, y'all. This is a before of my lips. My wig look raggedy. My wig look raggedy.
For lips, right?
Yes.
I will give you this real quick before I forget. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. That's for you. Your after procedure. Und
she looks so cute.
So be right in here.
Okay.
I have a hanger on the back of my door. I could hang up here.
That's fine. Oh, it looks so nice. Basically tell them what's in the injections.
So I use hyaluronic acid based fillers. So if you don't like them, they're always dissolvable, which is great because sometimes people go too big or something happens and I need to make a correction for someone else.
I actually seen a YouTuber get them dissolved.
A lot of times people will overdo it on their lips, and if you get more than one syringe at a time, it'll overstretch your tissue. And then you'll leave the office and they'll look fine, but then a few days later, filler could settle in like places it shouldn't be. Why?
I got some like lip gloss on my lips.
Oh, it's okay. This is just numbing cream. I'm just numbing them. Do you want the full syringe?
I don't know, I guess.
Have you ever had filler before?
No.
No? Okay, I'll see how it takes and then we'll decide. Feel a poke?
My Cupid's bow about to be popping. So I'm about to end this vlog right here. I did say that I enjoyed myself today and I had a successful lip injection. So for those who don't like injections, I don't know if I'm either going to turn off the comments or I will basically block your ass. But if you don't like the shits, then don't say shit about it. Those who do like them, and if you stay in Chicago and want some, there is someone to go to and she does an amazing job. In this vlog right here, she did an amazing job. Don't forget to go check her out in the description bar below. I'm about to eat my Chipotles. My mama's in there waiting because they didn't have no steak at all. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
So we about to eat this Chipotles, and until then, y'all, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe on this video. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial, on the next vlog, not tutorial.